Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. So I'm gonna vlog with the Samsung Galaxy A53, and let's see how this goes with video and photos in this vlog. So, yeah, let's see what happens. What up, everybody? So yeah, we're down to like 88% and do a little bit of exploring. So this used to be the central station for like all the local bus routes and stuff would come. However, they demolished it, and it looks like they're going to be building another like skyscraper here, just because kind of think about it. Anyways, so a little bit more exploring. Check this place out, take some photos. So, when my wife and my brother used to work here in downtown ASU, one of the things is that like a lot of friends and stuff like that, we play Pokemon Go. So this was one of the areas where there's like a few gyms, and yeah, we would just meet up and do raid battles all downtown, all over the place. But interesting enough, you have that little tornado. It's like a little tornado wind vortex thing that the ASU science team just built. Don't know exactly what it's for. Some say that it catches the wind and funnels it down, so if you stand underneath it, you can feel a breeze, and that helps in the summer. Anyways, there's a lot of homeless around here, so we gotta be careful, because they're not the shy homeless that keep to themselves. They will literally like bum rush you and ask you for $1, ask you for a change, ask you for a cigarette, gum, drugs. So, gotta be a little careful. Anyways, we're gonna explore, take some more photos on the Samsung Galaxy A53. Now, there's probably one downside to the Samsung Galaxy A53 that I guess I can say I'm a little bit spoiled with Google Pixels. And that is no magic eraser. But looks like there's some future college students, and they're getting a tour of the different areas. So I think the Walter Cronkite building is right. Yeah, it's right here. ASU School for Journalism. Then you got the Watts College of Public Service and Community Solutions. So anyways, this area, they have like some music playing and stuff like that. Always. University students hang about till the next class, or they have lunch out here. As you can tell, to all my skaters out there in the world, they put skate stoppers on this. I took my son down here, my oldest son. I took him down here to go skateboarding one time. Yes, I mean, I can't skate like I used to when I was like 15, 16, between 15 and 23. I don't skate like I used to, but I'll still ride around, watch him lay down some tricks and stuff like that. This is another famous skate spot in downtown Phoenix. As you can see, these steps have metal coping on it, which is perfect. It's a perfect spot for beginners learning how to grind on their skateboard. You can basically lay out some 50-50s, nose grinds, 5-0s, that type of stuff. As you can see, up here they put some skate stoppers up here too, because you can probably bust one out. But look at the colors of the bushes in video mode. It's actually kind of vibrant, kind of like that. You know, for a mid-range budget device, it does fairly well. So let's go check out these purples over here and see how they look. And yeah, that's pretty neat. Yeah, so from those shots, you can tell that I was playing around with macro mode. And okay, so like I said, I'm an inspiring photographer, but I don't know all the tricks and trades. So I do know, and I feel like that some of those macro shots I took were just a little bit blurry. Maybe I wasn't holding the camera close enough. But that last one, I think did fairly well. Since we're still on Taylor Street or Taylor Way, and walking towards the AZ Center. So they had a list of things this December. We had Phoenix Frost. We got 2 days, well, technically today and tomorrow, and that's all that's left of 2022. One thing I did notice with the native camera on the Galaxy A53 is that when you're switching in between modes, it has a slight delay, or the response is the touch response is not acknowledged. There were several times where I was trying to take a photo and I thought I had, you know, hit for the photo setting, and all that really happened was that it ended up starting to take another video. So that may be something that some people may be a little bit annoyed about, but nonetheless, I mean, it's not a major deal breaker. Okay, so another cool thing about this camera is that it's got like the zoom, you can go like 2 times optical zoom, but then it's got a 10 times digital zoom. So you have those capabilities with the A53. But now I'm at one of my favorite spots where I like to take photos. There is a lot of, you know, subjects to shoot here. One, you got these little waterfalls. They got these little cabana spots to just chill out. But yeah, let's take some more photos. So one of the many interesting features is the super slow-mo, which you guys just saw a demo of. And I did it while the water was kind of going down right there. I figured that would probably be like one of the perfect scenarios. Well, we got some other scenarios, so I'm going to take another super slow-mo again. I think one of the things that would have been really cool is instead of having like a video tab, and then a photo tab and a portrait tab. When you're opening the main camera sensor, they should just have it like a 2-button type thing, where one button is a shutter button for photos, the smaller one is the start record video. And then, you know, I just figured that would alleviate tabs. Although you can edit the tabs in your camera app on the Galaxy A53. So, I mean, that's something that I guess it's helpful, but I don't know, that's just me nitpicking. So it's not a deal breaker. When I say in my vlogs that it's not a deal breaker, it means that it's not something that I feel like that everybody's gonna be disappointed about. It's just something I'm nitpicking at. But if I say it's a downside, it's something that I know a lot of people are gonna be very frustrated with. So anyways, the path that we're on is a little bit up a ways from where I was recording video and slow-mo videos. So, give you guys another view. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Pretty nice, like little, I don't know if you want to call it a garden. But yeah, you can definitely practice your photography skills here. Regular photos, portrait shots, zoom, macro. But again, I think one of the biggest strong points, you know, is just the color representation in the videos and photos. I think it does amazing for it being a $450 phone. This definitely is a contender to the Pixel 6a. For sure, very good. Just image stabilization is something that I think should really be I don't know, it would have been a much better experience recording video if you didn't have all the shakiness. In case you wanted to get those really nice, you know, smooth video shots. Well, let's go ahead and take a picture of the Christmas tree. Take a couple with it too. And then start making my way home. I think it's time to start making our way home. And yeah, I just missed the light to cross. Gotta hoof it, you gotta be on foot. This is a nice little spot here to, you know, have a light drink and stuff. And I believe we are passing one of the news stations. Yep. 12 News Studio. These days you can't trust the media. But here's one of the studio stations where they record the news. They tell you right here too, they got these monitors right here that tell you that they're live on air. That's actually pretty cool. Up there is, I believe that's a revolving restaurant. Or it's just circular, it looks like a space saucer, but I think it revolves. And you got some coffee shops right here. Pretty nice coffee shop. There I am in the window reflection. All right, let's head home. Alright, so I made it off the train, got a couple of blocks to walk, so I make it home. And it was just kind of funny because some lady just hit on me, weird. I'll tell my wife about it. Anytime this stuff happens, I tell my wife. We have laughs about it. Not in a bad way. I mean, she wasn't disrespectful or nothing like that. Like some women are. Some women will not give a shit if you tell them that you're married or you're in a relationship. But no, this lady was respectful. The moment I told her I was married, she backed off. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed these video clips, photos that I took. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I know it's a pretty long video. There really ain't much left to kind of vlog about. So I'm gonna put all this together and have it uploaded later today. Until then, thanks for tuning in. If you made it all the way this way, hashtag A53 for the win. Because I gotta say, when it comes to the camera department on this phone, it's pretty damn good. For $450, even for what I got it for, $150. Really damn good.